On November 6th, Donald Trump won the US presidential election. Since that day, there has been euphoria in the cryptocurrency market. The world's largest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, has more than doubled its value since the US election. Other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, and Dogecoin have also seen massive gains. The world's largest crypto coin started November 5th around $68,000, and now its value has reached a new record high of a whopping $93,000. So much money from one virtual coin, something you can never touch like real money or gold. Bitcoin has never existed in a physical form like a banknote. It's a virtual coin that exists as a complex but unique set of numbers. It represents a ledger of all previous transactions, all of which is based on an anonymous research paper by a person called Satoshi Nakamoto. It works on a technology called blockchain. And now, if crypto market analysts are to be believed, Bitcoin is heading towards a value of $100,000 or even more, all because of one key factor: President-elect Donald Trump. The expectations from the new Trump administration are driving the exponential gains in the crypto market. But what exactly does the crypto market want Donald Trump to do? And what happens if these expectations are not met? Are we seeing another bubble being prepared to burst? Let's try to find out. In 2019, when social media platform Meta was planning to release its cryptocurrency called Libra, in a series of tweets, Donald Trump, at the time US president, called Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies highly volatile. He said their values were based on thin air. Trump even called out their use to facilitate unlawful activities like the drug trade. Later in 2021, he called crypto a scam. Fast forward to 2024, Donald Trump, now a Republican presidential candidate, has embraced virtual currency, even taking on the phrase Bitcoin to the moon.
Bitcoin is going to the moon, as we say. It's going to the moon. I want America to be the nation that leads the way.
Interestingly, just before the election, Donald Trump launched his own crypto venture called World Liberty Financial. Speaking at the 2024 Bitcoin conference, Trump made a variety of promises to crypto lovers. He vowed to make the US the crypto capital of the world. Trump said if he returned to the White House, he would ensure the federal government never sells off its Bitcoin holdings, the virtual currencies it seized during its raids.
As the final part of my plan today, I am announcing that if I am elected, it will be the policy of my administration, United States of America, to keep 100% of all the Bitcoin the U.S. government currently holds or acquires into the future. We'll keep 100%. I hope you do well, please. This will serve in effect as the core of the strategic national Bitcoin stockpile.
Trump also vowed to create a Bitcoin and Crypto Presidential Advisory Council, a body whose rules will be written by the crypto industry itself. But what garnered the most attention was his promise to sack Gary Gensler, the chairman of the US Securities and Exchange Commission. The Biden-appointed SEC chairman has led an aggressive campaign against cryptocurrencies. He has brought more than 100 actions against crypto firms. So when Trump said he would fire Gary Gensler, on day one of taking over the White House, the conference erupted in thunderous applause.
Day one, I will fire Gary Gensler and appoint a new SEC chairman. I didn't know he was that unpopular. Wow. I didn't know he was that unpopular. Let me say it again. On day one, I will fire Gary Gensler. Whoa.
Ironically, the US president does not have the power to fire the SEC chair. Even if Donald Trump appoints a new chairman, Gensler would remain a commissioner on the market regulator. But his rhetoric brought one key issue to the forefront. The enthusiasm over Trump's return to the White House is not about what he would do, but more about what Democrats won't be able to do.
In this world, there's really two sorts of way things happen, actively or passively. So Donald Trump is a lot to do with this rally, but it's not because of what he's doing. It's because what the Democrats won't be able to do in the next 4 years. The Democrats in America have basically been trying to choke off crypto by regulating it into irrelevance, and by their regulation making it impossible to start new businesses and very, very difficult to run established ones. And, ultimately government can choke off anything it likes. And, it's if you look around the world, there are many things that are legal and normal and common, say in America or in Europe, that are totally illegal in other countries. So, America can, and may even still do at some point, make Bitcoin and crypto illegal. And the Democrats were trying to do that.
Democrats under President Joe Biden have led a crackdown on the crypto industry. Their campaign was even compared to the Obama-era Operation Choke Point, where the US government pressured banks to refuse service to politically controversial businesses, such as gun shops and cannabis dispensaries. The Biden administration's campaign was called Choke Point 2.0. This was aimed at limiting crypto firms' access to the banking industry. To do that, reports say the White House discouraged banks from holding cryptocurrency. The Treasury Department proposed a 30% tax on the energy costs of cryptocurrency mining. The Federal Reserve denied a crypto-friendly bank's request to help. And the Energy Information Administration used its power to force cryptocurrency miners to provide information. On top of all this, the Securities and Exchange Commission doubled down on crypto firms. Last year, it sued two of the biggest crypto firms, Binance and Coinbase. The SEC alleged that they broke financial market rules. So when the 2024 election came, the cryptocurrency industry overwhelmingly supported Donald Trump. The cryptocurrency industry also reportedly spent $135 million in the 2024 election cycle, backing over 50 candidates, all of whom won. For Donald Trump, it's not just his pro-crypto policies, but also the alliance that has helped him. The alliance between Donald Trump and Elon Musk has significant implications for the crypto world, especially with one virtual coin, Dogecoin. Tech billionaire Elon Musk has made headlines with his posts and ideas on Dogecoin. So last week, when Donald Trump created a new unit called Department of Government Efficiency and made Elon Musk its co-lead, it was no surprise that the name's acronym was Doge. After the announcement, Dogecoin surged over 10%. Since November 5th, election night, Dogecoin has seen over a 150% jump in value. And not just Bitcoin and Dogecoin, a whole lot of cryptocurrencies have surged after Trump's victory. As per data from Coinbase, Ethereum has surged over 12% in the last week, Solana has seen a gain of over 15%, and Cardano is up over 50%. And not just crypto tokens, the firms behind them are also gaining. Stocks of companies like Riot Platforms, Coinbase, and MicroStrategy have surged rapidly. This has pushed some analysts to point towards risks. They're cautioning about a bubble-like situation due to rapid price rises and high speculation.
You have to understand markets like this are extremely volatile. And there is still the crypto cycle, 4-year cycle, driven by the Bitcoin halvening. So it's unlikely that we will escape a crypto crash. It goes up like a rocket and down like a rock. It has done for many, many years now, pretty much ever since it's begun. So there will be a high, there will be an extreme high, and then it's going to come down like a rock. It's almost unavoidable. Now, where that level is, I wouldn't say it's anybody's guess, but it's probably about $60,000. So it'll go up, I would guess 100 to 120,000. I've been saying that for long enough now.
So the market for virtual currencies remains highly volatile and unpredictable. And for now, it seems to be heading towards what crypto enthusiasts call a rally to the moon. It's expected to come to a massive burst, but it's not clear when or how. And with Donald Trump promising low oversight policies, little is known about what really lies ahead for this new asset class.